Dumelang ditsala, re a le amogela mo Setswana se monate. Leina la me ke Motheo, ke na le tsala ya me Khumo. Gompieno re tlile go buisana ka merogo.
Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome episode of Setswana Se Monate. My name is Kumo and today we will be talking about vegetables. Let's go! Carrot,
Segwete,
potato,
tapole,
tomato,
tamati,
onion,
aiye,
chili,
chilisi,
beetroot,
beetrooti,
beans,
dinawa,
corn,
mmidi,
cabbage.
cabbage. It's quiz time! It's quiz time! It's quiz time!
Friends, let's see how many of these vegetables you remember in Setswana. Segwete, tamati, chilisi, dinawa, midi.
And that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, friends.
Salang sentle ditsala.